Yo, what's up, guys? So today, do you see this ring? Yup. And this slime. So I'm gonna put. Quiet. So I'm gonna flatten this out. Put this on in it, and I'm gonna cover it. And I am gonna try to find it. So I'll see you guys in a second. I'm really gonna cover it up. Bye. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Here it is. I covered up really good. Stop. Hey! So ready? I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna try. I want to do it too. I'm gonna try to find the clown. It's too long. Wait, I want to try to find this. So, Emma, can I try? Emma, can I find this? Is going on YouTube. Emma, I'm trying to find it. Guys, look, I think I found it. I did. Emma, I can do it. Okay, guys. Now, this is all put into one video. So, I guess I'll see you next video, but technically not because it's going to be the same video. So, bye. Emma, yeah, I'm trying. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna explain to you like how this feels, what it smells like. Yeah. And what it tastes like. We'll start off with taste. Okay, we'll start off with taste. It tastes like I don't know. Ew. I don't really want to explain that. It's disgusting. If you ever get this kind of slime, do not taste it. Alright, guys. It feels like oh, you want to touch it? Okay, here you go. Anyway, it feels like, you know those things you put in a fishbowl when you have a fish? It kind of feels like those rocks. And it also feels like really wet. Look at my hands. Look what it did to my hands. You probably can't see them, but it is really slimy. And it doesn't stretch that well. When it gets far, it just breaks immediately. Watch. See? Okay. And it kind of smells like a fireplace, not like an animated fireplace, like a real fire, like a lit fire. It smells like s'mores also. Obviously, it smells like s'mores.
Whoa.
Let's do this. Oh, it's a lot of tape.
Yes, that's right. Watch out. Fold it in.
Oh my gosh.
Emma, you don't need to use the whole glitter packet. It's a lot. Hold on, Charlie. I'm trying to fold it in.
I know, it looks like a lot. It probably is because I just saw you.
Charlotte.
Yes.
You do. Oh my god, what are you? Glitter.
You said you buy the dumbest stuff. So I'm just gonna cut the bag. There's glitter all over the scissors.
No.
Goodness. Okay, I'm gonna open it now.
And just fold it in.
Oh.
Smells good. We can decorate a slime. So good.
I'm struggling.
I wish the paper can be mine.
Okay, well,
I put glue.
bag.
This bag. It's all in little pieces. It smells so good, and it already has glitter in it.
I know. Don't use the whole glitter packet.
Mom, smell it.
I'll smell it one more time. Like, I really want to smell it. Can I smell it?
Emma,
Yeah.
don't use the whole packet.
Okay, I know.
There's a lot here.
Like glitter slime on myself.
Look at this, guys.
Can we use tools?
Mm-mm.
And it's actually cotton candy scented.
Whoa.
Oh, you guys wish you could smell this right now.
I'm gonna go and cool this.
No, Charlie.
Slime. Hi, yo. So, my listeners will get this one. And Flecken will get this one. Flecken will get this one, and Yissy will get this one. So we're gonna collect it. I'm gonna use scoop. And this is a YouTube channel, and I already decorated. You see it? So nice. So do you see these clappy things? That's when you're in the slime. So you are going to watch me, and I'm gonna make a wagon, a beautiful masterpiece. First, we are gonna use circles for the eyes. You have to take a saw piece. I like you swimming on my
Charlotte, I like yours too.
But you so pretty.
Charlotte, look at yours. Look at that. Delicious.
But Emma, yours looks so. The pig looks so pretty in the glitter.
Yours looks pretty too. Don't worry.
Too. And we are going to this. You see here. So we are going to get connected. What do connected mean? It means you have to connect whatever you need. And here is a walk. See the walk? Yes. this
Look at that, guys.
is so big.
Yo, show your viewers this. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Mine's not. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's not beautiful. And is mine beautiful?
Very.
But I can't see the glitter.
It's okay.
But I still can see the dolls, but I can't see the glitter. So, my slime here is working. And we have to connect it. So, let's make a small piece. I'm sorry, I have to go over a few sides. I can open. And I'm gonna build something, and you guys are gonna try to guess what it is. Okay. When I'm done, then
Charlotte, finish your recording soon because you're gonna run out of battery space.
okay. You guys have to smell this. It smells so yummy. I smell yours one more time. Smell Emma's. Emma, I wish I had pink slime.
Charlotte, you know I'll share with you.
No.
Yes, I will. Be quiet.
How about you can have a bunch of blue and then I have a bunch of pink?
No.
So guys, I'm just mean here. Sorry for acting like that, but we'll make. I have to make it, and you guys have to guess what it is. You guys, this is the funny part. Hold on, let me do it first. See that? That's funny. So, after you do that, I'm gonna make something.
Yo, Charlotte, look at this.
Mix around. Come on, mix around.
I will.
Push my look at that.
Charlotte, you're still recording. Go, 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 go.
So sorry, I'm sad because Emma's so good, but Emma is a good thing. I have to make, and you have to try to guess it. Until then now. By the way, why you said that? I don't have my colors. I just want to know. Okay. Okay. Get a big cheese. A sidewalk? No. I know what it is. What? A mermaid tail. Mom, come and see this. Emma, look. I made a mermaid tail.
Very cool.
No, yuck. It's a mermaid tail. See, guys, it's a mermaid tail. It's a mermaid tail you're making. Yeah. So let's wrap it around. See, guys. Let's wrap it. Ouch. Wrap it around. And get here. Be up. Be F. I'm gonna mix it.
I am. Stop! Charlotte, I'm recording this. Let go. Charlotte, let go. Let go. No, seriously, stop.
Sorry, guys. Bye bye, guys. See you later.
It's like 10 minutes. So you know you could have just stopped the recording.
Mom, can I use the toys? Because I will make a circle, but I will make a triangle, and I can't use the tools. I'll make some shapes, and I can make shapes. So I need the tools. I want to use the tool. What? What do you say? What do you say?
Use what you have.
Oh, but I don't use the tools. I'm ready. Emma. It's gonna be like in the 6-100 hour. I'll get it for the 6. Put the way. Yes, Mommy. Please show Emma. Emma, yeah. Yes, Emma.
Very pretty.
You should get it at 12.
Ew.